How to join strings. Now suppose I have a list, and there are all strings in that list, and I want to join all of those elements into one string. So for that I can use the join method of strings, of which the syntax is whatever the string you want to join the syntax with, whatever string you want to use to join the elements with, dot join, and the iterable. It could be a list, a dictionary, etc. So to explain this better, now suppose I have this list. Ls is equal to Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. I want this as a single string. So I write ls dot join, and sorry, I write space. I write a quotation mark and then a space, dot join ls. This means that I want to join each of these elements with a space in between. Another way of joining is like suppose I have s1 is equal to hello and s2 is equal to world. I can join these two strings using concatenation, that is s1 plus the space as a string plus s2. So plus in strings just concatenates two strings. Another way is suppose I have this string s is equal to strings in Python. I can split the string, so I'll split it using the space. So I'll get strings in Python as separate elements of a list. And now I can join these either by space is the original string, that is space dot join L, or you can use another you can use another separator, that is I've used hashtag. So hashtag, or a hash symbol, dot join and then L. So strings hash in hash Python. So this is how we are joined strings in Python from a list, as well as joining to other strings using either the inbuilt method join, or just using the operator, that is using the plus operator in Python.